Ever wonder what actually happens when you visit a website? Let's take a peek behind the screen.
It seems instant, right? But it's actually a super fast journey. Let's break it all down.
People mix them up all the time, but they're not the same thing, and knowing the difference is key.
Okay, so the internet, that's the actual physical network. And the web, that's all the stuff on it.
So one is the road system itself, and the other is all the cool places you can actually visit.
And your browser, like Chrome or Safari, is basically the car you use to travel that web.
Every single website has a unique address. It's called a URL. Let's look at its parts.
This first part, it sets the rules for how your browser and the website are going to talk.
This is the simple, human-friendly name of the site. So much easier to remember, right?
And this last part, it points you to a specific page on that website. Simple.
But here's the thing. Your browser can't actually use that name. It needs a number, an IP address.
So the DNS is like the internet's phone book. It looks up the name and finds the right IP address.
Okay, let's trace the journey. Your computer asks for the site, and this is what happens next.
Your computer asks, the DNS server finds the IP and sends it right back so you can connect.
All right, we've got the address. Now it's time for your browser and the website server to talk.
And that language is called HTTP. It's the set of rules for all that back and forth communication. And that little S you see in HTTPS, that means secure. Your connection is private.
The site is loaded, but wait, how does it remember who you are or what's in your cart?
They use these tiny little files called cookies. It's how they track things and personalize your visit.
So session cookies are temporary. They forget you when you leave, but persistent ones stick around.
Basically, cookies make things like shopping carts and save logins possible. Pretty useful stuff. And that's the whole journey. Knowing this stuff is the first step to really understanding the web.